Today I was having a problem downloading the latest Java update, and I'll show you how to do it if you're having the same problem as me. Of course, I use my favorite web browser, Firefox, or even Google Chrome, and this is what happened. I'll show you right now. You just type in Java, like you normally would, and download Java for Windows. Accept all cookies. Download Java. And as you can see, it's already downloaded, but there's something missing here. And what we got was this white generic file that cannot be run, not even through command prompt. So we can delete that. Now the workaround is to use Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer if it does happen to still be on your Windows operating system, and then just repeat the steps that we did before to download Java, and then download Java. And as you can see here, it already has exe. We know it's going to work. And here it is. Now we'll just click on it to bring up the user account control prompt, and then click no, because I've already got the latest update 341 installed. So that's how you do it if you're having a problem downloading a file that you can actually execute or run on your Windows operating system. Subscribe or visit my YouTube channel.